Please respond to my basic inquiry. There are still 3 months left in the year. How much profit have you made so far? This video is for you. We'll outline an approach that is both straightforward and highly successful. 99% of the time on Forex, crypto, stocks, or any of your favorite markets. Having mastered the technique, you'll be able to trade better than 90% of retail traders out there. Combining a few very basic and cost-free indications, this strategy can be called a hack used by big traders. View the video intently to avoid missing anything. We'll reveal the indicators' names and their settings. We'll go over the setup so you can take consistently accurate entries. Open Tradingview in a new tab. Open a 5-minute chart. Now click the Indicators tab and here search for multiple EMAs by Salem Selva. Click to apply. It instantly opens the indicator settings and selects the Input tab. Here change the first EMA length to 9 and the second EMA length to 21. Retain the remaining EMA lengths at 50, 100, and 200 as the default values. Make sure the sources of all EMAs are set to close. Once successfully applied, select the Indicators tab once again, and now here, search for Arrow Buy. Sell indicator for trading Tatnet on the Moscow exchange. Simply click the indicator once you've located it and apply it to the chart. To make these adjustments, open its options, then switch to the Style tab. Untick all bar colors. Below, keep the buy and sell option ticked. Untick all the plot options. Scroll down and also untick plots background. After finished, click OK. It is prepared for usage. If the right guidelines are followed, it is easy, simple, and profitable. Once properly set up, your chart must appear just like mine. If you want to use this configuration to get better accuracy than 79, make sure to watch till the end. The risk of skipping the video is real. Quickly, let's see how we can take sniper accurate entries with this setup. Buy setup, follow these instructions for a highly accurate buy entry. First, make sure all the moving averages are aligned according to their length. Either a downtrend or an uptrend will be indicated by this. For a buy setup, we'll be looking for a proper downtrend. The red moving average should be at the bottom and the yellow moving average should be at the top. Once the trend is clear, we'll watch for a green buy signal from the second indicator. Simply place your trade on the next candle when it appears. For stop loss, use the recent low. Take profit choices are selective. Any of the available moving averages can be used to implement a take profit. Whenever the price touches these moving averages, simple sell, setup, and quit trading options. For sell trade, follow these steps. Make sure the moving averages are placed correctly, indicating a trend upward. Yellow should be at the bottom, followed by voile blue, green, and red. Wait for a red signal to come after this condition is satisfied, indicating that you should sell. Execute the trade on the next candle. Once the deal is closed, place your stop loss close to the most recent swing high. And just like the buy setup, take profits can be marked on any moving average. As soon as the price reaches the moving average, just close your trade and exit with a profit. Check out this example. All moving averages are aligned, and here is a green buy signal. We'll place the trade order on a new candle, and once it's been filled, we'll place the stop loss order close to the previous low. To take profit, we'll wait for the market to hit the desired moving average. Once hit, we'll exit the trade. The same goes with this example. Observe how the moving averages are all congruent. Here is our entry signal. Quickly enter with the new candle. Put your stop loss close to the most recent high. Once done, wait for the market to hit the desired moving average, take a profit, and get out of the positions. Avoid taking trades on flat markets when moving averages don't show any particular direction. Trades executed under these circumstances will result in lower win rates. Make sure to try this strategy and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Be patient with entries and don't rush to take trades. I hope this strategy will be profitable for you. For more such strategies, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.